Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have ever tried converting USDT to INR, you already know how messy it can get. P2P trades are full of risks, high conversion rates, and sometimes even legal trouble if the counterparty is involved in any kind of suspicious activity. So here in this video, I will show you a clean, legal and secure method to convert your USDT to INR without touching P2P method and without risking your bank account. First of all, we need to understand why you should avoid using the P2P method. So the P2P method may seem very easy, but it is actually risky. Many of the users have reported that they receive a lower value after hidden charges or deal with sellers who vanish the mid process. The worst part is that if you unknowingly receive the money from someone who is involved in the illegal activity, your bank account can be frozen and you are stuck with the legal complications even if you did nothing wrong. So the better option here is to use a FIU registered Indian crypto exchange like I'm going to use here in this video, which is none other than Sun Crypto. Here is how you can convert USDT to INR safely using the Sun Crypto application. First of all, you need to launch your Sun Crypto app and then you need to just log in into your account. Afterwards, tap on the second tab of portfolio and here use the search bar in the top in order to search for USDT. Once you are able to find Tether USDT, you need to tap on the deposit option right next to it and choose the correct network. I recommend using BEP20 because the fees is zero with this network. After that, you need to copy the deposit address from here and launch any of your external wallets like Trust Wallet, or you can also come here in your Binance account. And then if you tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you need to select USDT. Over here, tap on the withdrawal option and select the option of send via crypto network. Once you do this, you need to paste the address here in this section, and then in the network you need to select the same network that you have selected in your Sun Crypto application, which in our case is BEP20. After selecting the network and pasting the deposit address, you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to send to the Sun Crypto account and the USDT which you want to basically convert into INR. Once you are done filling this form, simply tap on this withdraw option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now within 5 to 10 minutes you are going to receive the money in your Sun Crypto application. Once this is done, you need to come here in your Sun Crypto app again, and now you need to again tap on this portfolio option. Over here, the sell option will be activated once you receive the money here in your account. So you need to choose the sell option and then choose the amount of USDT and tap on the pay option. Once done, you need to enter your MPIN to place the sell order and your INR balance will reflect in the portfolio once it is successful. Now, in order to withdraw the INR legally to your bank account, you need to first of all complete the originator form inside Sun Crypto. For that, you need to simply go to the reports section and there you will be able to see the withdraw or the deposit option. You need to submit the originator info next to the latest transaction and fill the form and submit it. It is going to take only 1 and 2 minutes for the approval, and once it is approved successfully, you will get an SMS notification. Now go to your portfolio and here select the bank account which you want to basically use in order to get the money in your account. Then you are going to get an OTP. You need to enter the OTP and the MPIN and confirm your withdrawal. That's it. The funds will reach to your bank account safely. No P2P, no middleman, no legal risk. So if you are tired of the P2P headache, use Sun Crypto, which is India's trusted FIU registered platform. They support 50 plus cryptocurrencies, multiple networks and advanced features like SIPs, staking and futures trading. So you can convert smart, withdraw safe all in one place. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, comment if you have any questions and subscribe to the channel for more these types of useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.